I was sent this super cute workout athleisure outfit. I'm gonna start with the top and then I'll talk about the skirt as well. And the skirt, by the way, has shorts underneath. Okay, so the top, this is a size medium and it has this really nice stretchy ribbed material. Has a built-in bra as well, and then also the padding too. And then that nice stretchy fitted style to it. If you wanted it to be skin tight, you could size down, or if you wanted it to be looser, you could just size up. And I love the versatility of it. I love that you could use it as a workout top, or you could pair it with a skirt. You could also pair it just with jeans, and it can be your going out top, your regular top. So a lot of versatility, comes in lots of different colors, has that nice back to it as well. Okay, let's talk about the skirt. I'm obsessed with this skirt. I think it's so cute. Really stretchy waistband. I'm wearing it at my high waist, so up over my belly button. I'm 5'8", and it's hitting me in like the middle of my thigh. And this is the size medium in the baby blue color. Has a nice little texture to the skirt, and I like the way it lays. It lays really nicely throughout. And then I love that it has the built-in shorts to it. Just really simple shorts, very lightweight, very breathable. So I like that this can be just like a cute skirt that you wear out and about, or an athletic skirt that you use to play pickleball in. So great versatility with this clothing, and I love it. I know you're gonna love it as well.